Advocate Fadzai Mahere vapindura zvekare toona kuti ukomenda pamusoro pemashoko akataurwa nemutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe achiti aiwa inini ndiri constitutionalist kana tiri terms dzangu dzangokwana chete ndorova pasi. Sanapinda mashoko anobuda panapa achianalyzwa panapa nemaadvocates panguva ino achiva achivhura vanhu kuziva achikondema panapa naNick Mangwana achivafaya. Subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipinda paenda Fadzai Mahere anodanyora chiti, good day Nick Mangwana, please don't be obtuse. The gravamen of people's concern is that your principal is not ruled out staying in power if the constitution is amended to extend his term or to give him a third one. Why is he unable to say that he will not stay in office beyond 2028? Why is he not distancing himself from those calling for him to stay until 2030? Why does he make ministers and party officials and members chant the 2030 slogan at his party rallies? Why is the state broadcaster intensifying the 2030 propaganda and agenda? Why does he not take a stand against his subordinates who are pushing the 2030 agenda and seeking to railroad a constitutional amendment in parliament? Can you not see that the only reasonable inference that can be drawn in the circumstances is that he is the real power behind the 2030 agenda and he is using proxies to push it forward? Can you not see that this is what makes his value I'm a constitutionalist mantra hollow? It's a mess. We need new leaders. Thomas Kwadnech analyze on Advocate Fadzai Mahere. Tudze mafunguro enyu kuri pamusoro pechitiko ichi achomisirana naNick Mangwana achibvunza achiti why is it asiri kubuda pachena kutaura kuti 2028 chingosvika inini ndakarwa pasi and to context pama elections at 2028. Tudze mafunguro enyu pina comment section medu. Subscribe or like and turn the bell icon.